opening our first ever store in Hyderabad, we thought of doing something very special for our special IKEA family members.
They invited us early, we had an early preview. Before the general public get to see it.
I've been blown away by the sheer size of the store. You can spend an entire day shopping here and not even know about it.
It's exactly like we imagined it to be. Even for our home that we purchased, we were delaying the interior so that when IKEA opens, we're going to do the interior.
So the layouts are very nice. The way the furniture has been presented is very good.
I was very tempted to redo my kitchen just looking at the stuff here.
Right now on my list I have 3 sofas and I have no idea which one I'm going to buy. And I'm very tired but I'm still full of energy just because there's so much to look around.
Love the food.
But I like the concept where you take what you want and you just bill at the end.
They've Indianized the food, so the biryani is there, the dal makhani is there.
People are helping us out every point of time.
It's difficult to call out one section because everything over here is so nice.
It really is a pleasure to be part of the IKEA family and to come in right now.
I think the whole thing is a family affair.
It was simply wow. Just good luck to IKEA and I hope they can, expand to other cities as well.
With lots of love from IKEA family, welcome home!